This is a infrared or an infrared thermometer. I believe for the budget, this is the best you can buy. And I will show you how and why really quick in a second. Let me put it out of the box. I'm not sure if I need instructions at this point. I've been using them so many times. And here you have on the side, it's the T600A NJTY. Temperature range is from minus 50 Celsius to 600 Celsius, or minus 58 in Fahrenheit, up to around 1100 and change in Fahrenheit. This is really beautiful. It takes two AAA batteries here on the back. You can unlock it with a flathead or a coin or whatever. Let me see what I have here to show you really quick. And yes, if you don't open this tiny little thing with a crowbar, you're not doing it right. And right now it is open. And this door here just comes up like that. And you have the two AAA batteries. That's all it takes. Let's put the door back in where it was. Close it again with a crowbar, because that's the best way to do it. And to activate it, you don't have any button, because if you press these all day long, it will not do anything. Only the trigger itself will turn it on. And within a few seconds, it turns off too if there's no activity going on, to preserve your battery. So let's click it. Yep, and it turns on. Yes, the display is backlit. And let me measure something. But before we measure anything, let me just show you something really quick. This here activates and deactivates the laser. So you can do either via laser the measurement or direct contact. So it depends how you want to use it. That's a really good feature. And put the laser back on. Here's where you convert it from Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. And right here is where you turn on and off the screen light. So if you want to preserve battery or you don't need the light, you can leave it off like I'm doing right there. And now we're going to measure something without the laser really quick, which will be my own arm. Okay, and my own arm is at around 90, it says. 89.8 to 90. Yep, 90. Let's leave it at 90. Now let's see what the laser says. In the other hand, 89.8. And I would say around 90. It is quite accurate if I didn't have the AC on. So I would call this quite accurate. And let me see, the table is glass, by the way. I'm not sure if that will work. 82. Look at that. It actually worked. Okay, so now we're going to do something interesting with this one. We're going to take it for a quick trip to the deep freezer and the stovetop, because I want to measure something really hot and something really, really cold. Let's go there and take a look together, shall we? And here we are at the stovetop. Let me just turn it on really quick so we can see something. Okay, and you'll see it get red. Oh yeah, so let me measure it real quick. And let me turn off the light. Yeah, you see it better without the light. Whoa, oh yeah. I don't want to burn the meter here. So yeah, the meter works. That's what matters. Yes, this is really good, and it keeps going up and up. Over 3. Yep, I'm not gonna leave it any longer. But all I wanted to know is if it works on really hot surfaces. And from that, let's go to a really cold surface. And this is quite a cold surface here. And let's measure what we are dealing with right here. It's not the coldest, but it's quite cold. Okay, minus 8 in Fahrenheit. How about here? Minus 10, minus 7. So everything is quite frozen here. Minus 4 on top, obviously. How about lower? Minus 11. Whoa. Okay, that goes minus 12, minus 9. Oh yeah, so it looks like you can do kind of live reading too. Wow, this is really good. Okay, so I'm not gonna let the freezer just lose the entire air, but you saw it actually works really good. So just as you saw it yourself, the thermometer works really good. Whether you measure your stovetop or your freezer, it works really good. Now, I didn't test the other deep freezer because there's no need, but it works on that one too. And with that said, for the price, this is worth all day long. Now, prices fluctuate on them, depends where you find it, but in my opinion, it's worth it wherever you find it for a good price. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!